Hello everyone, today we are going to do wind turbine using all the materials on the table. First we need a piece of colored paper 10.5 cm by 20.5 cm, 4 wind turbine templates, windows, door template, 1-inch circle, piece of paper for the roof, 4 8 cm sticks, 1 7 cm stick, toilet roll, 1 hole puncher, 2 beads, tape, and hot glue gun. Firstly, I would like to stick the paper to the toilet roll, and I'll use the hot glue gun. After you have stick it with the hot glue gun, you may paste the door and the windows using some glue. Next, we are going to make the roof. Twist this together, the edges. Take some tape and tape it on the inner part of the roof. This is going to be the roof. Punch a hole in front, measure it to the back, you get a parallel hole. Okay, I've added the hot glue gun on top, and now I'm going to paste the roof. And you have your wind turbine. Now we are going to make the wing. Fold the paper into half, open it up, place the 8 cm stick in the middle and paste both sides together. Repeat it with the other 3. Completed all the 4 wings. Now let's glue them on this piece of paper using the hot glue gun. Finally, use the 7 cm stick to glue it in the middle. Slowly insert the bead. Now insert the wing into the house, the hole that we made earlier, and place the next bead at the end here by gluing it with hot glue gun. And now you have your very own windmill. I hope you enjoy my video. Hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you for watching.